let's do a 60-second book review. The White by Matt Micheli is a spine-tingling horror novella that plunges readers into a chilling, supernatural mystery. Hello, I'm Dungeon Dan. The story follows Dan, a man whose life takes a strange and terrifying turn when his estranged mother arrives unexpectedly during a relentless snowstorm. But this is no ordinary storm. There is something very different about it, and it's going to trap Dan, his family, and his mother from the outside world. As the storm rages on, tension between his family and his mother rise, and things outside take a sinister twist. Micheli crafts a masterful tale of suspense, dread, and horror. With its gripping atmosphere and unrelenting tension, The White delivers a haunting exploration of survival and the unexplainable. It's a perfect read for those who love eerie, snowbound tales with a sinister edge. If you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. Thank you for watching this book review.